How to use olive oil for eczema, 20 methods. Eczema or atopic dermatitis is a skin condition that makes the skin rough, blistered, inflamed, itchy and even bleed. It can cause a lot of irritation and discomfort in areas like the face, neck, hands or legs, behind knees or in the bend of an elbow. It can be caused by allergies like wheat, milk, nuts, eggs, etc., some of which will trigger the reaction of eczema. External irritants include pet hair, mold, dust mites and various other household cleaning products and chemicals. Is olive oil good for eczema? Olive oil is very effective in treating eczema with its amazing properties. It soothes the flare-ups and reduces the inflammation caused by eczema. The oil will penetrate deep into the epidermis to nourish and soften the skin without causing any allergic reactions. Olive oil has vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids and other nutrients that help to maintain and lock the moisture to prevent dryness. It contains certain compounds called squalene and oleocanthal which are natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It has 3 antioxidants like tyrosol, beta-sitosterol and squalene that reduces the production of inflammatory compounds. It reduces the amount of bacteria on the skin. How to use olive oil for treating eczema. 1. Olive oil with coconut oil and vinegar. Add 1/4 cup of vinegar, preferably apple cider vinegar, in 1/2 cup each of virgin coconut oil and extra virgin olive oil. Stir it well, adding a little sea salt and pepper. Use this mix as a dressing on salads and store the rest for future use. Make sure to warm the mix before each usage. 2. Olive oil for eczema and psoriasis. Apply cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil on the affected skin. Massage it gently and leave it on for a few minutes. Repeat regularly for better results. 3. Olive oil with sugar. Mix equal quantities of sugar and olive oil. Apply on the affected skin. Massage gently for a few minutes and wipe off the sugar using a clean cloth. Leave the oil on that affected area to be absorbed by the skin. Apply daily. You can also add a few drops of water to create a thickness paste. Or mix 4 ounces of olive oil with a tablespoon of sugar and apply this mix on the affected area and cover it with a gauze and medical tape. 4. Olive oil after shower. Apply olive oil on the eczema-affected skin after taking bath. Massage the oil on the damp skin to lock in more moisture. Or add some olive oil to your favorite chemical-free moisturizer and apply this after a shower. Regular usage of this oil as moisturizer will help to prevent eczema. 5. Olive oil with tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has an antimicrobial property that minimizes the likelihood of secondary infection on eczema. Add 15 drops of tea tree oil and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to a bathtub of warm water. Stir the water and soak yourself for 10 to 15 minutes. Have this bath once daily. You can also add 20 drops of tea tree oil in 1/2 cup of olive oil and apply this mix directly on the eczema. You can also add olive oil to any of the essential oil and apply this on the affected area. 6. Olive oil with cabbage leaves. This process soothes the inflammation and irritation. Wash cabbage leaves well and kept it aside for a few minutes to dry. Soak them in olive oil for few minutes until the leaves absorb the oil and become soft. Apply these leaves on the affected skin and cover with a linen cloth. Leave on for 3 to 4 hours and then wash with lukewarm water. Repeat it regularly until you got relief from eczema. 7. Olive oil with baby lotion. Add some extra virgin olive oil to a scent-free baby lotion. Stir it well and apply this lotion on the eczema-affected areas. Leave it on for a couple of hours and wash off with water. Do the same process daily for 2 to 3 weeks. 8. DIY olive oil lotion. Add few drops of extra virgin olive oil and some honey or beeswax in 1/4 cup of water. Stir until all the ingredients are mixed properly. Apply this mix as a lotion on the affected skin. Leave for 3 to 4 hours and regularize this oil application. 9. Olive oil for eczema on hands. This process is for people who suffer from extremely dry hands. Add few drops of pure olive oil in water and stir. Soak your hands in this water for a few minutes. Dry your hands and rub it with a lotion containing olive oil. Massage it gently and cover your hands with gloves. You can sleep with these gloves on or just keep on for a few hours. 10. Olive oil bath. Add some olive oil to a warm bath and stir well. Soak yourself for 10 to 15 minutes in this water. Regularly have this bath. You can add 1 tablespoon of sea salt and 2 teaspoons of Epsom salt. 11. Olive oil with sea salt and essential oils. Mix 1 cup each of sea salt, olive oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, orange oil, aloe vera, soy milk, tea tree oil, cucumber and shea butter in a container. Stir it well and keep aside for 4 to 6 hours or overnight. Apply this on the skin and massage gently, then leave for a few minutes. Repeat this process once or twice a week. You can also make a scrub by mixing 1/2 cup each of milk and butter, 2 tablespoons each of olive oil and honey and a little of sea salt together. Stir well and use this mix to scrub the eczema-affected areas. 12. Olive oil with vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil hydrates the skin with its antioxidant properties which protect the cell membranes and repairs the skin to heal eczema. Mix equal amounts of olive oil and vitamin E oil. Apply on the affected skin, massage gently and leave it on for overnight. For more effective results, apply this oil daily. 13. Olive oil with chamomile oil. Chamomile is used to treat eczema on very sensitive skin. Mix a little chamomile oil and olive oil. Apply on the affected skin, massage it gently and leave for a few hours. Repeat the same process regularly. 14. Olive oil with lavender oil. Lavender is a skin healing aromatherapy oil. Add few drops of lavender oil to 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Stir it well and apply this mix on affected skin. Massage it gently and leave for a few hours. Or you can infuse calendula flowers petals in olive oil and apply this oil. 15. Olive oil for eczema scars. Apply extra virgin olive oil on the eczema scars. Massage it gently for a few minutes to get the oil well absorbed into the skin. Place a hot washcloth over the oil-applied areas. Leave it until the cloth becomes cold and then wash it with lukewarm water. 16. Olive oil with cornstarch. Mix some cornstarch in olive oil to make a paste. Apply this paste on the eczema-affected areas. Let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes and wash it off with water. Dry your skin and apply some natural moisturizer. Apply regularly. 17. Olive oil with turmeric. Turmeric has antibiotic and anti-inflammatory properties. Mix turmeric powder with extra virgin olive oil. Apply on the affected skin and leave for 30 to 40 minutes to dry. Wash it off with lukewarm water and apply moisturizer. Or crush handful of neem leaves to extract the juice. Mix 1 tablespoon of organic turmeric powder and a teaspoon of olive oil. Apply on the affected areas and leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes before washing with warm water. 18. Olive oil with black walnut powder and myrrh powder. Mix 1 ounce each of black walnut powder and chaparral powder, 1/2 ounce of myrrh powder, 1/4 ounce of beeswax, melted, and 4 ounces of extra virgin olive oil. Stir all these ingredients well and keep it aside for overnight. Apply this salve on the eczema-affected areas. Repeat regularly. 19. Olive oil with tea tree oil and jojoba oil. Mix 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil and 10 drops of tea tree oil. Stir it well and apply this oil mix on the affected skin. Massage it gently and repeat the same process regularly. 20. Olive oil and aloe vera gel. Break an aloe vera leaf to collect fresh aloe gel. Mix few drops of olive oil with a tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel. Using the aloe leaf, apply the mixture on skin 2 to 3 times a day. Tips and precautions. Follow these tips and precautions to get quick and safe relief. Avoid applying olive oil to young babies' skin. It is better to choose olive oil as a replacement to many animal fats and other unhealthy source of fats. Make sure to do a patch test first to check you are not allergic. Apply olive oil-based cosmetic products to prevent the eczema and irritation. You can also use olive oil in your cooking, as salad dressing and condiments. Use ozonated olive oil like O2, ZAP that delivers oxygen to skin and stimulates the skin cells' growth, moisturizes the skin and improves cellular function. Generally, asthma patients are more prone to eczema. Make sure to consult your doctor if you didn't find any relief from the eczema after using these olive oil methods.